welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will solve the question number 3 of the SQL. Earlier, already we have discussed two questions. So now this question is based on the two tables, customer and club. Here, first question is that display customer name along with their respective club name. Display customer name along with their respective club name. Customer name how we will get from the customer table, and club name we will get from the club table. So for displaying we have to use select command. Select name comma club name from, as the data is required from both the tables, so you have to write select name comma club name from customer comma club where both these columns have club ID as common. So where condition we will match customer dot club ID is equal to club dot club ID. So where customer dot club ID equal to club dot club ID. So this is the output of your first part. Now let us see the next question. Show customer name comma customer ID who have joined sports club. Now customer name you are getting from the first table, customer ID also from the first table, but sports is mentioned in the second table, club. So again you have to fetch the data from both the tables. So select customer name, that means select name, same column you should write select name comma cust ID from customer comma club where now here two conditions are there, that customer dot club ID should be equal to club dot club ID and club name equal to sports. Suppose here if you want to show the club ID, then the column will become ambiguous. So then you have to use alias name, but here no ambiguity is there, so you can directly write select name comma cust ID from customer comma club where customer dot cust ID equal to club dot cust ID club ID club dot club ID and club name is equal to sports and club name equal to sports. So I hope this answer is also clear to you. So here we have displayed the name customer ID from the customer and club where condition we have matched that both should have the same club ID, as the club ID column is common, and if you want to display the club ID also, then you have to use table dot, you have to mention the table name also, because otherwise ambiguity will also occur. So now the third question, display customer name comma gender comma club name of all customers who lived in Udupi. So select name, customer name is customer name that is coming from the customer table, so comma gender also from the customer table, comma club name also there, so add the club name also, select name comma gender comma club name club name from customer comma club, where customer dot club id equal to club dot club id, customer dot club id equal to club dot club id, and city is equal to Udupi. So the data will be displayed. Suppose for this query, what will be the output that you want to display? So draw it in the table format. First mention name, then gender, then club name, then output. First you match the club id. Club id, it is matched for 102. Udupi is for 102 only. Aman, male, and sports. Next is customer name. Select name comma club name from customer comma club, where customer dot club id is equal to club dot club id and gender is equal to male. Means first you check the gender is equal to male condition. How many male are there? 3. Pavan, Abhay, Aman. So name we want. So output will be Pavan, Abhay, Aman. That is definitely. And their club name. Pavan is in which club? Pavan club ID is 101. That means he belongs to yoga. So both only 2 columns only you have to display. So Pavan, yoga, Abhay is in which club? Sports. Aman is in which club? Sports. Abhay, Aman both are in sports. And the data will be matched for only 101 and 102. 103 is the female employee and 101 more candidate is female employee or female customer. So that we will not include in the answer. Abhay sports, Aman sports, Pavan yoga. Now the next question will be select. The next question will be select min fees from the club. So minimum fees from the second table, only one data is required. So minimum fees how much is? That is 1000. So 1000 will be the answer. Then the next one, delete the data of Meenakshi from the table customer. So for deleting the row, we will use delete command. Delete from table name. Directly table name, you should mention delete from customer, where name equal to Meenakshi. So this row will be deleted. This row will be deleted. Now the last question, update the fees by 10% whose club name is sports. So fees column is in second column. We have to update the value of the fees. Update second table, that is customer is wrong. So here we should write update club set fees is equal to fees plus 0.10 multiply fees where club name equal to sports, and then semicolon. So I hope this question is understood by everyone. This question is very important for your exam point of view and for the practical also. You can check the output also, that fees, how much will be the new fees. 1500 previously, then 1500 plus 0.10, 10 upon 100 multiply 1500, that is 1650. So your output will be 1650. New fees will be 1650 for the club ID 102. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.